Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create cartoon effect in Photoshop with using an action. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image. And hit open. Cool. Now go to Window and open Actions panel. Choose Load Actions. Here select this cartoon action. You can also download this action link in description below. Now hit load. Action loaded. Cool. Select this action and hit on play button. It will take some time. Perfect. But I need some blurriness to this image. So hit Shift Ctrl Alt plus E to create a merged layer on top. Then go to Filter, Blur and choose Surface Blur. Increase the radius to 6 pixels and press OK. Perfect. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.